It's Hydro.
Son dear. Of a bitch. I'm hunted, jockeyed, and boomered. Okay.
Did your hunt job boomed?
I'm hunt jocked regular now.
Fucking claim it!
Oh god! So many hundreds.
Yeah, let's back up then.
Ah!
You don't like chicken.
Very up there, just a chicken. I prefer McDonald's. You got like fucked and then fucked again 2 minutes later.
Oh, that was. Like
and then again and again and again.
That was like the same string of events. That was.
This
Hey
horse
guys,
real quick.
come here. So.
Throwing a Molotov.
Fuck you, Legolas.
Ah!
Don't get fucking lit on fire!
Oh my god.
I just made it
Oh, you can see the
dramatic.
other survivors from up here. See that?
Yeah.
Oh,
Also-
God, now I'm on fire! Ah! A hubris! My
There's stuff in
hubris!
there. How do we get in there? Oh, it's later. Oh.
Oh, we have to back up into their lab.
This is where we end up. There's a turret in there. Oh shit. Okay.
Alright, guys, we can
Oh,
do it.
Legolas like runs away at the last second.
Yeah, Legolas probably. Yeah, why is Legolas not like sliding on his shield downstairs right now?
Ammo here.
Yeah, I mean, come on. Stay true to the.
Yeah, let's. Alright, everyone over here, please. Jim.
Oh, I just
Yeah.
set a jockey on fire. How cool was that? Barry is the answer.
By the way.
Fucking Hydro.
What do you fucking want from me?
I just like fucking tracking the tank and your big ass head gets in the way.
Oh, I'm sorry, I'm the big ass one, you fucking gross monster.
I was staying behind. Dude, come on. I'm sensitive
Snoopy,
about
Snoopy,
my monstrous demeanor.
Why is the area in front of us always on fire?
Yeah, what is with the fire?
Flaming charger. Hey girls. I'm sorry.
Oh,
Hey,
oh,
Legolas is here.
oh,
Fuck!
oh. Please.
I'm trying, Jim.
Is there any other guns? The sniper rifle's so shit right now.
Did you guys see a rock just fly over the building?
Legolas, the fuck are you? Shoot them!
No. Team record, repeat it! Yay!
There's a tank.
And there's Rory.
Oh, smoker.
Shit. Jockey
I'm
on
good.
me.
I'm down. Is that it? Have we lost?
Nope. Fuck no.
Oh, I'm dead.
Attack!
I'm down. Colonel Sanders, it's up to. We have to survive to 7 minutes, Colonel Sanders.
Ah!
We've got fucking
Sorry.
20 seconds.
Sanders,
Which
just
is like
run.
10 health.
Oh.
Oh.
No!
Dang it.
We did better. We still did better.
Oh god.
That's horrifying.
Wow.
Fuck chicken!
They're all eating his stanky chicken.
My chicken's amazing, thank you.
We can do this. I know we can do this.
I mean, Casey's okay.
Love me.
Not to be rude, but you're fucking disgusting. Alright, let's go.
I just watched Legolas run away. That was weird.
He's like, oh, better go down and not help them. He's over there like, whatever. It's fine. I think he's over there right now. Yep, he's over there standing there like watching us.
Jim? Why?
Jim Morrison? Jim. Jim!
Hey, Jim.
Jim!
You okay? Jim,
What?
you okay down there?
What do you mean, what?
What? What do you guys fucking mean, what? What do you mean, what, Jim? Okay, Tank, you're really just pissing me off right now. You're being a big jerk. Like, just relax. Big jerk.
guys.
Oh shit, no!
I'm gonna go fuck this horse.
We're like 6 seconds away from our record here. Wait! Record? Alright,
No.
Damn it!
No!
good. No! Like 20 seconds!
20 seconds exactly.
That's 20 milliseconds, isn't
Yeah,
it?
20 milliseconds away.
Yeah.
I thought we were live for 6 hours and 39 minutes.
We did definitely not last for 6 hours. Legolas, can you help us out?
Like this is like.
Can you stop fucking Gimli for like 2 seconds and just come help us? Like, the tank's in the way.
Oh!
Get up, come on.
Sorry, those guys are hitting me.
Shit, just get up, come on.
What?
Get your ass up.
Well, that's fine.
Oh man.
Oh.
Wait, are we gonna beat the record? No!
How did we get even closer?
This game's really hard.
We need to do strategy.
We do. What do
Why
we...
did we die within the same second?
Alright, weapons.
It's like at that point everything just starts downhill. We lose.
It's like that 1 second, 6:39
we
is
lose
just the
the
worst second of the
like-
entire thing.
Like we lose the control we have of the middle.
Yeah.
Right.
What the fuck, jockey? God damn it!
I'm almost dead.
No.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my fucking god.
Oh my god.
Like, I feel like you should definitely try to stay up on the wall on the right side.
It's something happens at 6:30 or so. That is just bad news bears.
Ow.
Reloading.
And I'm on fire. And
Oh, god damn it!
Oh boy. Oh boy.
We might make it.
I'm down, but the
We can do
tank's-
this.
Shit, are you dead, Hydra?
Yeah, I'm dead. There's a defib on the wall, remember?
I got it.
Alright, head back to the... Oh, I'm alive!
We beat our time!
Fall back.
Alright, yeah, I guess now that would be good.
Nice shot.
Bye.
I'm trying.
3 more minutes in gold standard.
Chucky.
Get it, Aaron.
Just-
I got him.
Just 3 more minutes.
Let's try to reclaim those guns. Wait, we can fall back!
Tank.
Guys, fall back!
Oh.
Stairs!
Stairs.
Help.
We have to go.
No, I wanna live.
I'm sure we can pick you
Sorry,
up later.
Rory,
There's
I
guns
tried.
up here and stuff.
I doubt it.
Fuck!
Does that happen in survival?
Nothing to see.
I don't know.
No health kit here.
Oh wait, we can't go much further. Fuck! Ah, shit. Okay.
I
What?
tried, Rory.
Oh god.
Or, well, okay. Hi, tank! You're pretty rude, dude, tank.
Pretty rude, dude.
Is that why you let me die?
Jesus
Rude,
Christ! So we got trapped in a hallway.
Yeah, we're dead.
2 minutes though. Alright, so that's good, So it doesn't go much farther back. But,
dude. And it was at like 7:20 that the stairs.
Why
that we
is
know.
this still... Oh, there it goes.
That we at least
like,
noticed.
right when you unlock, because remember, like, the Bronze Center was at 4 minutes. Right when you go to the next, like, level, it lets you go back. So at 7 minutes, we can go up and get new weapons and stuff and have, like, a better advantage.
Okay, yeah.
It's 4.
Makes sense.
Yeah, so. Good job, everybody. We're getting closer and closer. Less than 2 minutes now. Do not fuck the chickens. Colonel Sanders, I personally fuck all the chickens that we put.
I stick my dick in every chicken that
My
comes
dick is
through
one
this
of the
factory.
R's.
It's one of the spices.
That's why when I'm dead, nobody's gonna have it.
There's another tank on the wall. Just another tank on the wall.
There's room for one tank up here, Bob.
Ow.
This guy
God,
rock.
Jim, you just hate shit.
Do I hear a tank?
Reloading.
Yeah, I'm over here.
Oh,
Hey guys.
There he
Mom
is.
said
We
I
just
can't
light
say-
you
He's
on
down the
fire
stairs,
again.
guys. He's right behind you. He's behind you. Guys,
I'm
the
sure
tank's
he's fine.
down here.
I doubt he's fine. I don't have to look.
Yeah, fuck it. He's just killing Elizabeth. It's fine.
Sona!
Whoa!
Just get in your face.
Just shoot you.
Oh, tank's closer than I thought.